So to start off, I'm going to be taking this brow pencil from Joey Beauty in the shade Black Brown. I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows very lightly. So now I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows with the Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. in the shade Light Beige. Now taking the 35H Hot Spot Artistry palette from Morphe, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Wave Maker. Now I'm going to be taking that shade and applying that all over the lid. Now I'm going to be dipping into the shade Ocean Drive. Above that blue shade, I'm going to very lightly blend this into the crease. Now I'm going to be dipping into the shade Yacht Spot. Now taking that shimmer shade, we're going to be patting that all over the lid. Now I'm just going to be grabbing my eyelash curler and I'm going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to be taking my mini roller lash mascara from Benefit and I'm going to be applying that on my lashes. Now I'm going to be taking these lashes from Lashland in the style Pisces. You can also use my code ALEXBLENDS at checkout for some money off. Self-promo. Now I'm going to be taking my lip treatment from Wet n Wild in the flavor Grapefruit Mint, and it's really good. Now I'm going to be taking my Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be applying that all over the face. Now we're going to be taking my all-time favorite foundation, which is the Dewy and Smooth Fit Me Foundation in the shade Pure Beige from Maybelline. And we're just going to be applying that all over the face. I'm going to be taking another one of my favorites, which is the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer from ColourPop in the shade Medium 90W. And I'm just going to be highlighting under my eyes and on my forehead. Now I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. Now I'm just going to be blending that out on the outer parts of my face. Now I'm going to be taking my Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium from Maybelline, and I'm just going to be applying that wherever I applied my concealer. Now I'm going to be taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place and dipping into the shade Yara to contour. Now I'm going to be taking my Serafina blush from Juvia's Place, which has got to be one of my favorite blushes, and then I'm just going to be applying that on the apples of my cheeks. And on my nose, oops. Now I'm taking some eyeshadow and placing that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking this highlighter from ColourPop in the shade Flexitarian, and I'm going to be applying that to the high points on my face. Now I'm going to be taking this lip liner from Maybelline in the shade of Raw Chocolate, and I'm just going to be using that to line my lips. Now I'm going to be taking the Jungle Rock lip gloss in Freaky, which is from the collaboration with Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock, and I'm just going to be applying that all over the lips. Now I'm going to be taking the Jungle Rock 3-in-1 Face Mist, which is the same collaboration with Wet n Wild and Bretman Rock, and I'm just going to be spraying that all over my face. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!